definitely helps you with your mind as well.
True.
Once you start riding, your peripheral vision becomes better.
That's right.
Your reflexes are
Reflexes
better.
are much better, yeah.
So everything I think has a side
Side,
that
that's right.
gets improved with
True.
that. I think the way you've made your website,
True.
it's actually pretty easy for the
Sure.
person to choose. I was going through the screen that you have.
That's right. Hi everyone, welcome to the podcast. We have Shilpi Shukla with us today. Let me introduce myself. I'm Neville as the training manager for Rise Moto. I am also a YouTuber and I have a little journalism experience in motorcycles, but that's more about now. Let's go back to who's with us. She has more than 9 years of experience in riding. I think even track riding is also what she's done in the past, and I believe you are going to continue that also.
I mean, I would absolutely love to, unless I have more fractures.
Okay.
So yes, I've been riding for the last 9 years.
Great.
I really want to try my hands on off-roading, which I haven't been doing much.
Nice.
Thanks to your helmets and everything that
True.
you've been providing, I have recently started.
That's
So
great.
I would love to continue that because
Nice.
I think that will help me with my track racing as well. I remember the last time I went for track racing, my kneecap almost fell.
Oh, okay.
So ever since then, I've been a little, skeptical about
Okay.
it, but I would love to start doing that. And I actually see a lot more women trying that. Some of my friends
Nice.
who recently started track racing,
Nice.
they're even winning cups in their first,
True.
journey, which
That's
is
right.
impeccable. So that's one live example I've been able to see. And that person is also associated with Rise.
Oh, wow,
So
that's
you guys
nice.
have been doing a really good job,
Thank you.
fueling
Thank you.
passion.
So I think you've motivated many youngsters, young women who've been driving and riding now.
Hey,
to
I'm
another-
young as well.
Yeah, I'm sure you're young, but you've motivated the youngest who are not even 18, and I'm sure they want to come up to that level that where they can ride.
I think that can never stop because first it takes your anxiety away.
So
The moment you have the helmet on, all your stress, goes away
Yes.
from you. Every single time I'm a little overwhelmed by something, I would sit on the bike and I'll just vanish. After that, I'm the happiest person on earth, I think. So that's something that you can never take away from a rider. I
True.
think till the time my body is working, I will never stop riding motorcycles.
that's great, and then that's what will motivate us to keep motivating you to keep continuing biking, because I think this culture is very raw, but it needs to develop. And thanks to people and influencers like you who've really got it to another level, so we are very happy with it. But I believe you've tried on our new jacket, which is the Speedy jacket also. Something about it, how do you like that as a product, at least for fitting you? Is it fitting you well? How do you like it?
It's a mesh jacket,
Yeah.
which is really helpful for touring as well. So I like trying multiple things on the motorcycles.
Yeah.
So like I mentioned, track and
True,
off-roading.
off-road.
Touring is one bit that I think it's very important for riders.
True.
Because when you want to go, vanish
That's
in
right.
thin air, you need that.
That's right.
So I have used the jacket to travel in a lot of places. When I was traveling to Northeast,
Okay.
that time you won't believe I did not have a touring jacket. I ended up using leathers, and that was not a
Not
very
a
good
very-
idea.
true.
So now that I have this, I think I'll be doing more
More of
and
the-
more trips. Yeah.
That's good, because actually, as you said, it's very important to have a jacket which is a bike friendly and a weather friendly. So
Correct.
that is more important.
And like you asked about the size, I think it fits perfectly because for us women,
True.
we don't usually end up getting a
True.
lot of good sizes for us.
That's right.
I wear an extra small, which is again very rare, but I
Okay.
think it fits really well. So
That's good.
thanks to you guys.
Thank you so much, and appreciate you showing that passion about biking with our gears. That is important. What would you prefer more? You've ridden on the track, you've ridden off-roading. What is that which I would say is a step ahead, a league ahead? Is it the track? Is it the off-road part of it? What is?
I don't think that's a question any rider can really answer. It's like picking from, if you want to have water or if you want to have food.
True.
You just cannot decide that.
True.
But of course, if you take training,
That's right.
it really helps you
That's
become a
right.
better rider. If
True.
you take level 1, 2, 3, 4 in
Sure.
track racing, you can use that on the street as well.
That's right.
Even now, I feel that sometimes I feel the challenge because I'm not training actively
True.
because thanks to my 9 to 5. But the people who are actually doing that,
Sure.
they're progressing so much faster, and that's,
True.
I think, impeccable. So you need that. You need
That's right.
to be on the motorcycle, have
True.
more seating time,
True.
which is, I think, what a lot of people lack. And I think motorcycle is not a competition,
True,
as
true.
long as you enjoy it,
Enjoy it, yeah.
that's worth it. So that's what's motorcycling for me.
Yeah, more of the passion, I would say, because that passion will drive you to another level.
Definitely,
But
yeah.
safety is very much concerned, because motorcyclists sometimes they feel that you bought an helmet and that's more than enough. But that's the wrong thing. I think who better than you can tell us what is that which is more important? Is there something more important, or everything is equally important?
I think every rider will tell you, when you wear riding gear every day,
Sure.
that one day when you don't wear the riding gear is when you will have the crash.
Maybe.
And
Yeah.
I've had that.
That's
I
right.
really have
Same.
that.
Yeah.
So I think last year around the same time, I was going to Gurgaon
Okay.
from my house. I live in Delhi. And that was the time when I had a hit and run case. If I was wearing riding gear, I would have been saved.
Safe. That's right.
But I ended up having one more fracture in my list. So that's something that you have to
Have to.
avoid.
That's
Don't
right.
go out without riding gear,
Right.
even when you're going for 5 minutes.
Sure.
Because you never know when something happens.
100%.
And definitely on trails, on track,
That's right.
that's non-negotiable. So
100%.
you can't avoid that.
True. Anyways, tracks will not allow you also. Most
Yeah.
of the tracks don't even allow a two-piece, if I'm not wrong, right nowadays.
That's one catch, because some riders feel that they've been riding for years,
Sure.
and it's okay to go without an armor.
Okay.
They'll wear the jersey, but
Jersey.
they'll not wear
With
the
the
armor.
armor.
So that happens a lot.
Okay.
Because of any XYZ reason,
True.
maybe heat or humidity.
True.
But you can't avoid
Avoid
that.
that. Yeah.
You never know when you will
When you
crash.
crash. Yeah. That's true. Because see, it's very important. A motorcycle, you are riding a motorcycle rather than the motorcycle riding you. So
Pretty much both.
that's right. So yeah, that is there. But I believe you've used Rice tires also. And how do you feel? Do you feel some type of confidence on those tires? Is that a thing where you would want to experience or share your experience with us?
So I think since I've been associated with Rise since the beginning,
Uh,
that is where you guys really started.
True.
And I've been trying the trailer, the tourer, the tracer, all the motorcycle
Nice.
tires pretty much. I've used it on the Royal Enfield 350. I've
Nice.
used it on R15. I've
Nice.
used it on Duke, I think.
Nice.
I wanted to try and like more motorcycles, and I think
Sure.
I will be doing that.
True.
So far these motorcycles, and I've had a really good experience because the quality is really good.
True.
And that's what you need on
That's
the
right.
road. You don't want to go on a trip and your tire is not
True,
reliable.
100%.
You cannot do that.
Sure. The tire quality and the grip
Yeah.
matters the most, I would say. But yeah, there are different requirements, like you said, trailer, trooper, tracer. There are different requirements for different style of riding, I would try to say, because many people are not really understanding what tires they should have also. That's where we would want people to come in, get education
Yeah.
through you, educate them, because I'm sure on a Duke you'll have a tracer, then on the 350 you might have the trailer, so something
Yeah.
like that way.
I think the way you've made your website,
True.
it's actually pretty easy for the
Sure.
person to choose. I was going through the screen that you have.
That's right.
You can use which manufacturer
right.
to choose and all of
That's
that. That's pretty user friendly. So
Thank you.
I think people can try and educate themselves also, and you guys are
That's right.
definitely there to
Thank
help.
you.
So yeah.
So how did you like our store? What was the unique part about the store which you liked the most?
There are a lot of options, especially the fact that you guys have the Aero helmet.
That's right.
And I regret buying mine because I really wanted to like wait it out, but nobody was selling it.
True.
And not that I know of.
That's right.
And the moment I entered the store, I saw the helmet. I had the bittersweet
True.
thing because I really wanted that helmet,
Sure.
and now I just had to buy it. But for people who really want that, now they don't have to import
That's right.
separately. They can come to the store,
That's
buy
right.
that. Plus plenty of options for off-roading as well.
That's right.
And options for women,
True.
which is again a little rare. So I'm really happy that you guys have that. Yeah.
So what got you passionate about biking? Everyone has a story behind a passionate biker. What would your story be?
There's a difference between passionate and professional. I wanted to be both. The reason why I went for the track bit, I really wanted to be a track racer. I did participate in
True.
one make as well
That's
once. And that's when I had the fracture. Used that motorcycle, none of that. I used to just see people in riding gear, and that used to
Fascinate
make me
and
feel
yeah.
really good about
True.
it, that I want to be that.
Nice.
And I just started riding. I used to buy miniature motorcycles before I could
Nice.
afford mine. And in my case, I knew that I have got to earn before I could
Like,
afford a
afford a
motorcycle.
motorcycle.
My family's not going to
Not
buy
gonna
one
buy.
for me. So I didn't have that
Nice.
privilege. So I ended up buying the RC390 first.
Oh.
Then I jumped to the Interceptor 650. Then little bit of an
Little bit,
upgrade,
sure.
Ninja, 650.
650.
Then I got the ZX10R. Now I'm not sure. I just try my hands on pretty much every motorcycle I can, and thanks to you guys, I'm able to do that.
Great.
So I've been, trying my hands on multiple motorcycles.
One bike to end if you had to purchase a bike that's the bike I want to have. What would that bike be in your garage?
I think that's the one I already had. I love Kawasaki's.
ZX
You cannot go wrong with Japanese technology
100%.
for sure.
100%.
So Kawasaki's is like my go-to.
Nice.
Beauty-wise, I think MAV Agusta is really something that appeals to my eyes.
Yes, true.
It's beautiful. I'm not a Ducati person at all. It just doesn't fit well with me at all. I know some people, if they're seeing this, they'll probably hate me for it. But Ducatis is a no-go for me, except one motorcycle that they have. Kawasaki is 100%. Honda. These motorcycles are something that
Japanese,
the
basically.
Japanese basically.
I myself have the 650 Honda of the Honda CBR 650R. So that refinement which a Japanese would give you, I think no other would.
Definitely. And
get
the
you.
R1, of course, again Japanese. So except MAV Agusta,
Understood.
the Japanese really,
The
appeals
looks
to me.
of that motorcycle, the MV Agusta.
And the technology.
Yeah,
It's
for sure.
really beyond the looks. They
100%.
make it beautiful, no doubt about it. But the way that it's very reliable.
True.
My Kawasaki, even after riding for so long, it never used to heat up. And that's what you need. You don't want your legs to
That's
burn
right,
out when you're
100%.
riding.
Yeah, that's true.
So because I am not that person who would just go for a breakfast ride.
True.
I want to take out my motorcycle. I want to live with
Live
it.
with it. That's right.
So that's something I think Kawasaki's does really,
well.
really good. And they've never sponsored me till date. I'm still saying it because I really love that motorcycle. So yeah.
That's nice. What about Aprilia?
RSV4, beautiful machine.
True.
I love that bike.
I don't think there's a bike like that yet available, and unfortunately now
Yeah.
they're not producing much of those.
So one of
But,
my friends have it.
Okay.
But us middle class people, we also see the reselling price of a motorcycle.
True.
This motorcycle does not
Does
have
not have
that.
it.
RSV4, the
That's right.
reselling price is really horrible in
True.
India.
True.
So that's one of the reasons I didn't choose that.
True.
Japanese that way, they have a
Little bit,
very good
right, that's
reselling price also.
That's-
So you've got to see everything,
That's
the
right,
financial
true.
bit as well.
Yeah, because that is important, because in India to get parts first of all, and then the finance, how difficult it is.
Yeah,
So
very. The financial bit is still, sometimes manageable.
True.
But parts, oh my God,
True.
you get into a crash and then you have to just keep running to find
Hunting.
everything.
That's right. I think motorcycle is one of the most expensive, but then if you have a passion, you're not going to stop at it.
Yeah.
So that's. So I would want to understand your. How would you want to give a message out to all the new riders? One would be for the new generation, and one would be for the women riders as well, because many women rider, as you said, also family may not support. How do you want them to come out of their comfort zone, or what is that one thing that they should do that will let them come out of the comfort zone?
Oh, I think it's very important because first you have to motivate yourself.
True.
Nobody is gonna do that for you.
100%.
And this is something I wanted to say in the beginning. Being a girl, and this is not me stereotyping being a woman that
Sure.
way. There's one person that I know who's really strong physically, I think 10 times more than me. She lives in Bombay as well.
Nice.
And she's the off-road rider that I was talking about.
Nice.
I have always looked up to women like that because for me, especially in the beginning, sometimes it still happens.
Sure.
When I'm riding a really heavy motorcycle, as long as it's running, it's really smooth,
True.
nice. But when you're parking it, or God
Turning.
forbid if it falls,
True.
I remember the time when I used to just stand next to the motorcycle and look at people. Can you just come and lift the bike up? So that has happened a lot with me. And if you let those kind of things stop you from riding, because for us women, there are a lot of times when a lot of men would come and these are the men who are basically boys,
True.
not age-wise.
That's right.
They'll ask, if you're not able to lift the motorcycle, why are you riding it?
Sure.
I mean, nobody has the right
That's
to
right.
first of all say
100%.
that. We're riding it for our happiness.
That's right.
And if it's giving us joy, that's the most important thing.
100%.
And women should be able to be a little, self-dependent that way,
Sure.
so that you don't have to look at other people
That's
to
right.
help you with the
True.
motorcycles.
True.
So my family supports me emotionally, mentally. They're very supportive that
That's
way.
right.
It was just the financial bit, because that's what happens
True.
when you come
That's
from a
right.
middle class family,
True.
right? But other than that, in India especially, you've got to take permission from
That's
the
right.
family.
Yeah.
They also have problems like, what if you get injured,
That's right.
which happens a
Happens-
lot
that's
with
right.
women. And that is one of the things I think is a challenge for everything.
True.
Maybe your career, your
True.
motorcycling, anything. So I think convincing is one thing that's
Sure.
sad, but
Sure.
you've got to do it sometimes.
Sure.
And if you prove it to them that you can take care of
Sure.
yourself, there might be a brighter light for them.
Sure.
That I can take care of myself.
right.
Don't worry.
True.
I'm going on the motorcycle. I'll come back.
That's right.
Normal. So you can't vouch for it, of course.
True.
There might be crashes.
That's
you can't
100%.
avoid that. But I think that's one thing it's very important for women to do. Be
Sure.
self-dependent.
That's right.
Be more confident when going out. Also ensure their own safety.
Sure.
So what I do personally, whenever I go out, you just met my brother.
That's right.
I send my GPS location, my live
Nice.
location at all times.
That's
I
nice.
keep 2 phones so that if one battery dies,
Nice, you have
nobody
the same.
gets worried.
That's right.
They're relying on me.
That's right.
Initially, when I bought the motorcycle for the first month, my mom and dad they used to keep roaming in the house. That when is she gonna come back? But now they're so relaxed because I've proven it to them from time and
That's
time
right.
again that I'm gonna be all right. I can
that's
take
it.
care of it.
True.
If there's a problem with the motorcycle, I know what to do or maybe who to
Who to
reach
reach out
to,
to.
so that
Sure.
it can be managed. So that's one thing for women.
Sure.
I'd say. Also, really motivating themselves that you can do that.
That's right.
I never got ashamed. I never felt ashamed that I'm not able to lift a motorcycle. So what if I'm not able to do
That's
it? I'm
right.
able to ride it.
True. 100%.
And of course, go to the gym, make yourself stronger, which
Sure.
is my agenda now.
100%.
But start somewhere.
Sure.
Nobody learns in the womb, right?
Sure.
You have to start
That's
somewhere.
right.
And for the younger generation, I feel it's more about seeing, the right things.
Sure.
There's not completely right and wrong stuff,
True.
but you've got to see, okay, I really find this appealing.
Sure.
Give it a try.
That's right.
Who knows, you might, start loving it, because we
100%.
also started like
Started
that.
from somewhere. That's true.
And the people that I have seen who have recently started riding, some of them have become much better riders than me.
Nice.
And I feel no shame in saying that.
Sure. 100%.
It's such a good thing when you see
100%.
people growing in front
True.
of your eyes,
True.
as a biker, as a
Yeah.
person, and it definitely helps you with your mind as well.
True.
Once you start riding, your peripheral vision becomes better.
That's right.
Your reflexes are
Reflexes
better.
are much better, yeah.
So everything I think has a side
Side,
that
that's right.
gets improved with
True.
that. So this is more like being an athlete in a way.
True.
So for younger generation, I'd just say that give it a try.
Give it a try. Yeah.
You don't have to buy a very heavy motorcycle
True.
and show
Not-
off. Start with 160. I mean, start
Sure.
with
I think that's
220,
the ideal
anything.
to start off.
Definitely.
Because you have to understand the throttle response, the braking, all that has to also be. But yeah, very well said, I would say. But at the same time, it's very necessary for them to understand that don't ride without gears. Even the first motorcycle, or maybe you're having the 10th motorcycle in your life, but riding gears is important stuff. Again, one more thing which I would want to understand is like, what is that thing where you would want to give out a message that don't try this? I'm sure there is something where you would tell your viewers that not to try this, at least look at the environment and do it. So that is also important, I would say.
I think you know where I'm gonna get to.
100%.
So two things there. One to do with the other question as well. The way that youngsters are, they want the best things for themselves. If they don't have the best, they'll not do it at all.
True.
When I started riding, I was 16 when I started working, which is how I was able to finance my own stuff as well.
Nice.
Not everybody does that.
Sure.
But even with me, I knew that, the riding gear are quite expensive right
Sure.
now. So I ended up taking some of the used stuff.
Sure.
And again, no shame in that, because at
100%.
least you're not, don't beg, borrow, steal.
Sure. 100%.
As simple as that.
Oh, yeah.
So just do whatever you can. There are a lot of people, they'll keep whining about the fact that, oh, I can't afford this, so I'm not
Sure.
going to do it at all. If you can afford even half of it, go for
Go
that.
for it.
And there's this thing in Hindi, jitni chadar ho utne pair
Utna
pasarne
pair.
chahiye. You have
True,
to
100%.
do that. And that's one thing that I've always lived by.
Sure.
When I couldn't afford the motorcycle anymore, I ended up selling it.
Sure.
Why to show off in
That's
front
right.
of people?
100%.
You should be happy with what you have
Sure.
and start learn and be better at it. If you want to do something, maybe start earning more.
That's right.
Maybe start with that, or
Let your passion drive you, I feel.
exactly. And the way that content works, for example, I have seen so many people who couldn't afford a lot of things,
Sure.
and now they're getting
They-
sponsors.
True.
They're getting people because they're talented enough. They outshine themselves. It was their work that spoke.
That's right.
Now that's also work.
True.
If you can take that route, take the work route, take whatever route that you can. And it's not like the early stages.
True.
When I started riding, there were rarely any sponsors. There was
100%.
rarely any awareness for motorcycles.
And gears also. I'm sure there were not many gears available in India at that time.
There
also.
weren't. That's why I gave you that example
right.
for
Sure.
Aero. And I wish I had that.
True.
Maybe I would have been a better rider. Maybe I would have trained a lot
Sure.
more. But that time we didn't have
We
any
didn't.
of this. And
Sure.
now I feel I can't go back to my age.
True.
Because in Western countries, you start at the age of 10, 12.
That's right.
We didn't even know anything about
anything.
motorcycles
That's
that time. And that's one thing that I think is progressing. And
Sure.
you guys, personally, I have seen you've been supporting off-road riders a
True.
lot.
Yes.
I have seen people really getting into it. There
Sure.
was one person, Asad.
Yeah.
I have worked with him personally because I used to work with a motorcycle company before, and I have seen him grow, and I've seen a
Nice.
lot of riders grow, and that has happened with you guys, like right in front of my eyes. And that is what you guys have been doing. You've been
Yes.
fueling the passion
True.
which wasn't there in
That's
the
right.
past. So first of all, really good job
Thank
with
you
that.
so much. Thank you.
When it comes to riding gear, I think you cannot go without that
Sure.
anywhere in the
100%.
world. Again, as I said, the moment you don't wear riding gear, that's when the
That's
crash happens.
True.
So don't do that.
Sure.
Don't do wheelies. Don't do stoppies on the road when
That's
there's
more
public.
important. That's true.
You cannot be doing that.
True.
I know a lot of people, not gonna name them, who have done that, who
Sure.
have been doing it.
Sure.
There are many YouTube channels, and sadly, some people that I knew have passed away as well doing
Okay.
all those things. You cannot be clocking 300 km per hour
Not
on a
possible.
highway because,
Not possible.
firstly, even if it's not India, it's not safe.
100%.
You want to do it on the track.
That's right.
Do it in a safer
True.
environment.
That's why the speed norms and the speed regulations have been set up. The 100, 60, 80, that is set up because of a reason that it will prevent you. See, nothing can save you, but at least the impact will be less. That's what
Definitely.
would people think we have airbag jackets and all that, we'll be safe. Nothing saves
You're not
you.
God.
So, yeah,
Nothing
so-
can save you if you're going crazy on the road.
Even on tracks, we've seen so many riders falling with the airbag jacket and breaking their arms or something.
I have had fractures in the suit. I mean,
So,
that's the live example
that's
that
right.
you can have. But, that's one thing that has happened in front of my eyes, sadly. Person dying in front of your eyes just because they were going reckless is the worst thing that you can
100%.
experience, because it makes you scared as
That's
well.
right.
I have seen death in front of my eyes, literally like a few,
So, yeah, I think all bikers may have seen something like that. At
I
least-
hope not all, because it's a
Yeah,
very sad
that's right,
experience, and
sure.
that's what you need to avoid. This
True.
Delhi to Jaipur highway, it looks very smooth sometimes.
Yeah.
There are bumps,
Yeah,
there
yeah.
are roads, and there are cows. So if you're going 250 kilometer per hour, for example, how can you brake?
There's
It's
no chance.
a machine at the end of the
100%.
day. You love your machine will love you. As
Sure.
simple as that.
I think more than love, you have to respect what you ride. That's
Exactly.
important. But thank you so much for sharing such a live example which you've got from your crashes to where you've grown today and how you want to step up the game. But it was a pleasure getting a lot of knowledge and a lot of advice from you. Thank you so much for being a part of it.
Nothing when it comes to knowledge. I learn from people. I learned a lot from you today.
Thank you.
And I think I'll keep doing that. And that's what I want other people to do.
Thank you. And I think biking community supports each other. When you meet other bikers, you start grasping as much knowledge as
It's the brotherhood, the feeling of brotherhood.
100%. Thank you so much. It was a pleasure meeting you.
Same here.
Take care.
Thank you
Take
so
care.
much.
Take care.